gentlemen, a huge round of applause as we welcome the chief guest of today's function, Professor Usha S. Nair, Vice Chancellor officiating National Sports University. Please join me in welcoming our esteemed chief guest. I request all the participating universities to kindly line up as we are about to begin the ceremony. I request all the participants to kindly line up in the field as we are about to begin the ceremony. All the participating universities in the East Zone Inter-University Football Women's Tournament 2024, please line up in the field. Please welcome our athletes with a huge round of applause on the field. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming yet another special guest for the ceremony, Khoisnam Sharma Devi, Commandant 9th IRB Mahila Battalion. A huge round of applause for Madam. Ladies and gentlemen, we are joined by yet another special guest for this ceremony. Please welcome Madam O. Bembem Devi, Padma Shri awardee, former national women football coach for the ceremony. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the guest of honor of today's ceremony, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, Registrar, National Sports University, Manipur. A huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I request all to settle down as we are to begin the program. A very good morning, namaste, khurumjari, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, respected dignitaries, invited guests and talented athletes. I, Dr. Debla Chanu, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Psychology, on behalf of the National Sports University, Manipur, welcome you all to the grand opening ceremony of the East Zone Inter-University Football Women's Tournament 2024. We are thrilled to have you here today as we celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship and unity through football. We would like to begin the ceremony by seeking blessings from Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of education and intellect, guiding us in our pursuit of knowledge. Let us take a moment to prepare ourselves mentally and spiritually as we invoke her presence. Therefore, I welcome our students for the Saraswati prayer. I request our students for the Saraswati prayer to be kindly ready. And I also request everyone to kindly rise from their seats for the prayer.
श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृति देवै सदा वंदिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेष जाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्म विचार सार परमा आड्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां.
Thank you. May the divine energy of Goddess Saraswati fill our hearts with wisdom and grace. Today marks a significant occasion as we gather to witness the incredible talent and dedication of our participating teams from universities across the East Zone in the Inter-University Football Women's Tournament organized by the National Sports University Manipur under the aegis of the Association of Indian Universities. And we are indeed blessed by the presence of all the esteemed personalities on the dais. We are blessed by Professor Usha S. Nair Madam, Vice Chancellor officiating National Sports University Manipur as the chief guest. We are also blessed by the presence of Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, Registrar, National Sports University Manipur, and Shri T. Fulen Maitei, Director, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, on the dais as the guest of honors. Also, we are indeed blessed by the presence of eminent personalities on the dais who are here to motivate us in this venture as special guests. I would like to name all our special guests and take a moment to welcome them. We have Madam N. Kunjarani Devi, Olympian, Padma Shri awardee, Indian weightlifter with us. We also have with us Madam Koisnam Sharma Devi, Commandant 9th IRB Mahila Battalion with us. We have Madam O. Bembem Devi, Padma Shri awardee, former national women football coach. We are also joined on dais by Madam L. Chauba Devi, head coach, senior national women football team. We are also joined on dais by our very own Dean Students Welfare, Dr. Shyam Sundarat. I, on behalf of the organizers, warmly welcome all the esteemed guests once again. As we prepare to kick off this exciting event, it is time for one of the most significant moments of our ceremony, that is the flag hoisting ceremony. The flag symbolizes our identity, our aspirations, and the spirit of sportsmanship that binds us all together. To perform the flag hoisting, may I request all the esteemed dignitaries on the dais to kindly proceed towards the flagpole. Let us take a moment to reflect on the values that our flag embodies, that is courage, determination, and the pursuit of excellence. It is a reminder of the hard work and dedication that each athlete brings to the field. I once again request all the esteemed dignitaries to kindly proceed for the flag hoisting towards the flagpole. Thank you. I would request the esteemed chief guest, Professor Usha S. Nair, Honorable Vice Chancellor officiating National Sports University, to kindly hoist the national flag, and for hoisting the Association of Indian Universities, I request Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath, Dean Students Welfare, National Sports University, to please do the honors. As the flag rises, symbolizing our unity and the spirit of the competition, let it fill our hearts with pride and inspire us to give our best throughout the tournament. Now, I request everyone to kindly rise and stand in silence for the national anthem.
Jana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Once again, a heartfelt thank you to our chief guest and esteemed guests for this significant moment. Next, we will witness the marching of the participating teams. Each team represents their university with pride and determination. Let's give them a big round of applause as they make their way into the field. Can we have the music, please? Ladies and gentlemen, first up we have the Adamas University, West Bengal. We have the Bihar University. A huge round of applause for our contingent. Next we have the Burdwan University, West Bengal. A huge round of applause for our contingent as they march. Next, please welcome the Dhanamanjari University, Manipur. Followed by the Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth, Uttar Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our contingents as they march in front of us. Up next, we have the Manipur University, Manipur. A huge round of applause as you motivate our athletes. Next, we have the Nagaland University, Nagaland. Following the Nagaland University, we have the Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh. Let's show them our encouragement, ladies and gentlemen. Following the Rajiv Gandhi University, we have Shahid Mahendra Karma Vishwavidyalaya, Chhattisgarh. Let's give them a big cheer, ladies and gentlemen. Following them, we have the Tripura University. A huge round of applause for the contingent. Following the Tripura University, we have the Vinoba Bhave University, Jharkhand. Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen. We have, following closely, Vidyasagar University, West Bengal. Next, we have the Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Chhattisgarh. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And last but not the least, we have the host university, National Sports University, Manipur. A huge round of applause for the university. Ladies and gentlemen, what a sight to behold as they march in front of us. What an incredible display of talent and spirit we just witnessed. A big round of applause for all the teams as they marched in today. Their hard work, dedication, and sportsmanship towards truly embody the essence of this tournament. It's inspiring to see young athletes come together, showcasing their passion for the game and supporting one another. Let us also take a moment to appreciate not just the players, but also the coaches, managers, families, and supporters who have cheered them on every step of the way. Your encouragement and commitment have made this journey possible. As we move forward into the next phases of our event, let's keep this spirit alive. Now, we will proceed with the felicitation ceremony. For that, first to felicitate our esteemed chief guest of today's program, Professor Usha S. Nair, Vice Chancellor officiating National Sports University. May I invite on stage Dr. N. Amitrasen Singh, Extramural Director, National Sports University, who is also the organizing secretary of the tournament. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. And to do the honors of felicitating our guest of honor, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, Registrar, National Sports University, can we have on dais Dr. S. Premanand Singh, Joint Organizing Secretary of the tournament. Thank you, sir. To do the honors of felicitating our next guest of honor, Shri T. Fulen Meitei, Director, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, may I invite on dais Dr. Kuldeep Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Psychology. Thank you, sir. To do the honors of felicitating our special guest, Ms. N. Kunjarani Devi, Olympian, Padma Shri awardee, Indian weightlifter, may I invite on stage Dr. Arijit Chakraborty, Assistant Professor, Department of Exercise Physiology and Sports Nutrition. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Next, To do the honors of felicitating our next special guest, Madam Kwaishnam Sharma Devi, Commandant 9th IRB Mahila Battalion, may I invite on stage Dr. M. Surchan Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Physical Education and Sports. Thank you. Next, to felicitate Miss O. Bembem Devi, Padma Shri awardee, former Indian national women football coach, may I invite on stage Mr. Ravi Shankar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Coaching. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Next, to felicitate Madam L. Chauba Devi, Head Coach, Senior National, Indian National Women Football Team, may I invite on stage Mr. Praloy Kanti Sarkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Coaching. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Last but not the least, to do the honors of felicitating our special guest, Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath, Dean Students Welfare, National Sports University, may I invite on stage Dr. Karen Harish Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Exercise Physiology and Nutrition. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. I once again thank all the esteemed dignitaries for gracing us with your presence and support today. Your encouragement means a lot to the participants and the organizers alike. To proceed further, to deliver the welcome address, may I invite Dr. N. Amitra Sen Singh, Extramural Director, National Sports University and Organizing Secretary of the tournament.
Thank you, Dr. Devla. Kurumjari, Namaste, Honorable Chief Guest, esteemed guests of honor, special guests, participants, coaches, organizers, print and media, and sports supporters. A very good morning to each one of you. It is indeed a privilege to stand over today. So we gathered for the East Zone Inter-University Women's Football Tournament 2024-25. This event marks an incredible opportunity for showcasing talent, strength among all the universities and celebrating the power of women in sports. We are truly fortunate to be graced by distinguished guests who represent the highest level of excellence, leadership, and dedication in their respective fields. I am delighted to extend a heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Professor Usha S. Nair, Vice Chancellor, National Sports University. Your leadership and support for sports education are pillar for the progress of athletics in our country. And your presence here today adds great honor to this event. Joining her, our respected guest of honor, Dr. L. Divamani Singh, Registered National Sports University, and Mr. T. Pulen Maitei, Director Sports, Youth Affairs and Sports Government of Manipur. We are grateful for your unwavering commitment to fostering a robust sports culture within our state. Your dedication to support young athletes has been a source of encouragement for many. In addition, we are privileged to welcome our special guests who are icons of inspiration in sports and service. Miss N. Kunjarani Devi, Olympian and Padma Shri awardee in weightlifting. Miss Kunjarani, your remarkable achievement in weightlifting have set a gold standard for dedication and strength, especially for aspiring young women athletes across India. K.I. Sharma Devi, Commandant of the 9 IRB Mahila Battalion, your service and leadership in the battalion symbolize courage and inspire us all, particularly in the empowerment of women. Miss O. Bembem Devi, Padma Shri awardee and former national women football coach, known as Durga of Indian football. Miss Bembem's contribution to football has transformed the sports in our country, set a remarkable example for young women athletes. Miss L. Chauba Devi, head coach of the senior national women football team, your mentorship of our nation team has been shaping champion, promoting sports as vehicles of growth for women in sports. To our participants, today event is for you. This tournament provides an unparalleled platform for demonstrating your skill and sportsmanship. Competing at inter-university level brings with immense honor and responsibility as you present not only your universities but also dreams and aspirations of countless others. The spirit of this tournament not solely about victory and about the friendship and experience that will last lifetime. You all stand as a role model of young athletes, provide that with dedication, discipline, and teamwork, boundaries can be broken and milestones achieved. I would like to take this opportunity to commend the organizing team, coaches, print and media, and supporting staff whose dedication and meticulous planning have made this event possible. Your work behind the scene is integral, the smooth running of this tournament, and we thank you all for your effort. As we embark on this exciting journey of competition, I encourage everyone present to reveal the experience, uphold the highest standard of fair play, and cheer wholeheartedly for each and every team. Let us make this tournament a memorable chapter in the legacy of women's football. Once again, welcome to the East Zone Inter-University Women Football Tournament 24-25 to the state of Manipur, which we proudly known as the powerhouse of sports in India. I wish each team the very best. Look forward to witnessing the thrilling match ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your address has set the right tone for the rest of the tournament. Thank you so much once again. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and dear participants, what an exciting day it has been so far. We have celebrated the spirit of sportsmanship. Now, the moment that we all have been waiting for has finally arrived. It is time to officially declare the East Zone All Inter-University Football Women's Tournament 2004 Open. This tournament is not just about competition. It is about bringing together talented athletes from various universities across the East Zone, fostering friendships and celebrating the joy of the game football. To mark this special occasion, I would like to invite the chief guest, who has been a tremendous supporter of sports, a true leader, and someone who embodies the spirit of fair play and dedication, Professor Usha S. Nair, Vice Chancellor officiating National Sports University, to kindly declare the tournament open. Madam.
I declare East Zone Inter-University Football Women Tournament 2024-25 open.
Thank you so much, madam. Now, as the tournament is open and we embrace the spirit of sportsmanship and fair play, we will proceed with another significant segment of the program, that is the oath-taking ceremony. I would like to invite the students to lead the oath. I also invite all the flag bearers from different universities to kindly proceed forward for the oath-taking ceremony. I request all the flag bearers from different universities to kindly proceed forward for the oath-taking ceremony. To proceed forward, may I invite Ms. Shubyang Mon, captain of the host team, National Sports University Women's Football Team, to lead the oath.
On behalf of all the competitors taking part in the East Zone Inter-University Women's Football Tournament 2024, I pledge to compete with honor, respect, and integrity, to strive for excellence, not just victory, to uphold the values of fair play, teamwork, and perseverance, to abide by the rules that govern them.
Thank you everyone for committing to uphold the values of respect and fair play throughout this tournament. Now, may I request all the contingents to kindly proceed towards the gallery for the rest of the program. I request all the contingents to kindly proceed towards the gallery for the rest of the program. Next, we have the cultural program, for which I request the cultural team to be ready. The National Sports University Manipur is truly proud to be the host of the East Zone Inter-University Football Women's Tournament, which is scheduled from 1st till the 5th of November. And also, we would like to make the announcement that we are privileged to be able to host the East Zone Inter-University Badminton Men's Tournament from the 6th till the 10th of November. We are thankful to the Association of Indian University for bestowing us with this opportunity and trusting us. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special treat for you. It's time for our cultural event, which showcases the talent and creativity of students of National Sports University. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy this delightful performance. Let's give a warm welcome to our performers as they take the stage. Ladies and gentlemen.
Everything the man have that a for me. Don't they stay the net up a big gimme. Pretty face, ugly girl can't see me. Me that pretty chicks, let me do my little shimmy. That big fat, but the waist still skinny. I'm so good that the man I get clingy. I'm even wetter when I do it up the henny. Wait, it's a great night. Me and my girls turned up, it's a date night. We got these people so pressed, but brake lights. Them boys really ain't hitting like a play fight. Yo, mira, conmigo pa' amiga. Loca la vida. Yo soy muy rica, papel plástica. Some say football, some say soccer. Make a shot, go blocker.
आँखों की चाबी से थोड़ा बेताबी से चुपके से खोले दिलों के ताले बुझा देते उसको जगा देते अपना ईमान देते जिसकी भी बाहें गले में डाले दुनिया से हमको क्या ले जाना यारों के दिल में हो ठिकाना एक बार होता है प्यार ये लाख बार कहला दे कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छुए थे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे उंगली पे सबको नचा दे दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have Mr. Prasanjit Pal from MPS. He has his name recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records for Salailam, Tamil Nadu martial arts. A huge round of applause for him and the team. A warm welcome for the boxing team.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Todd's picking it up. Let's go.
The hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the
Ladies and
West in
gentlemen,
flames, and I heard him wreck it with the
Join me in welcoming Jonah Princey Konsum from BP as first semester. She's an international gold medalist in the Wushu Moscow 2023 and National Games gold medalist 2024. Give it up for the rope skipping team of National Sports University. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful, energetic and scintillating performance it was. Thank you all the talented students for the spectacular show. You have set the perfect tone for the rest of the tournament. Your performance has truly symbolized what National Sports University stands for. Your performance has truly highlighted that National Sports University is the melting pot of cultures, talent, and diversity. Thank you once again. To proceed further with the program, may I have the honor to invite the guest of honor of today's program, Shri T. Phulen Meitei, Director, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, to kindly bless the gathering, sir.
Respected Professor Dr. Usha S. Nair, Vice Chancellor, National Sports University, Manipur, who is gracing today's function as the chief guest. Guest of honor of today's function, Sri Dr. L. Debamani Singh, Registrar, National Sports University, Manipur, and all the special guests on the dais, Madam N. Kunjarani Devi, Olympian, Padma Shri Award awardee, and Olympian in weightlifting discipline, K.H. Sharma Devi, Commandant 9th IRB Mahila Battalion, O. Bembem Devi, Padma Shri awardee, former National Women's Football Coach, L. Chauba Devi, Head Coach of Indian Women's Team, all the faculty members, members of the organizing committee, representatives from different universities of Eastern India, representatives of All India Association of Indian Universities, print and electronic media, and media players. It's been a great privilege for us, for the state of Manipur, to host, to provide all the logistics to National Sports University for hosting the East Zone Inter-University Women's Football Tournament. As everyone knows, sports is a way of life in our state. So I urge to all the visiting university to enjoy your stay in Imphal. And as you know, we are good for our hospitality. So during your stay, we will try to provide each and every support that the sports department, government of Manipur can do. So when you go back to your state, you take the good memories of your stay, your short stay in Imphal. Now, sports, football has become very professional. With football, you can earn your livelihood. You have seen the recent trend in Indian Women League. One player annually earns about 4 to 5 lakhs. So we have about 10 to 15 Indian Women League teams in India. And each of the team, they have 30 to 40 players in their squad. What I appeal to my dear students is that with football, you can earn your livelihood. And with the certificate that you got from this tournament, you can apply for your NEET, you can apply for your JEE, and you can apply for your employment as well. So, since all teams cannot become the champion, I urge all the participating universities to play with a fair play spirit and with a sense of competitiveness, discipline, and commitment. From our side, we will try to provide everything what a sports player needs. And taking this opportunity, I would like to urge my fellow colleagues to listen carefully to what some of the proposals that we have submitted to Niti Aayog and then to the NETFI team for Vision 2047. Since some of the sports disciplines cannot go together with education, we have submitted a proposal that the sports certificate should be recognized on par with the educational certificates. And the visiting team of NETFI, the visiting team of Niti Aayog, they have listened carefully. Say, for example, the discipline of football, the discipline of weightlifting, after heavy exercise, we cannot concentrate on our studies. So the certificate that we got after playing these disciplines should be treated on par with educational certificates. This is one new proposal that we have submitted to the Niti Aayog and to NETFI for 2047 Vision Northeast India. And from the side of government of Manipur, we have provided 5% reservation for all the meritorious sports person in our recruitment. So I should convey this message to our Manipur University and National Sports University people that with your certificate, you can apply through meritorious sports person scheme. So the door is wide open for you, and in case if opportunities comes, you please apply, please grab the opportunity. I think I should end my speech here because it's scorching sunlight and all players are exposed to sunlight. So with this few words, I should thank the organizing committee for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of this August gathering. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. We are forever grateful to you for your invaluable support and encouragement in all our ventures. Your commitment to promoting sports and youth development is commendable, and we truly appreciate the time that you have taken to be with us. Thank you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now have the honors to invite our guest of honor, Shri Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, Registrar, National Sports University, Manipur, to kindly bless the gathering.
Respected Vice Chancellor, distinguished dignitaries, esteemed guests, dear players, team managers, coaches, representatives from print and electronic media, and passionate sports enthusiasts. Good afternoon to all. It is indeed momentous occasion for us to gather here today for the inauguration of the East Zone Inter-University Women's Football Tournament 2024-25. So on behalf of the National Sports University, I extend a warm welcome to all participating teams, officials, and spectators. In recent years, women's football in India has experienced a remarkable growth. It is inspiring to see young women breaking stereotypes, pursuing their passion, and excelling in this beautiful game. This tournament is an exceptional platform for those talented footballers to showcase their talent, their skills, learn from other peer players, and forge lasting friendship. To our participating teams, I extend my heartfelt welcome. You have come here to demonstrate your skills, passion, and dedication. May this tournament be a platform for you to learn, grow, and create lasting, unforgettable memories. Remember, this match is a chance to push your limits and strive for excellence. Let us unite to celebrate the power of sports and cheer for our teams. May the best team win. Thank you, and best of luck to all the participants, officials, coaches. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words and valuable insights. Your presence today has added immense significance to our event. Thank you so much. Now, may I have the honors to invite our esteemed chief guest of today's program, Professor Dr. Usha S. Nair, Vice Chancellor officiating National Sports University, Manipur, to please address the gathering. Madam.
Namaskar, Kurumjari, good afternoon. Most respected guest of honor, Chief Khuman Lampak, Director, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, Dr. L. Dibamani, Registrar, National Sports University, Madam Kunjarani Devi, Olympian Padma Shri Awardee in weightlifting, Sharma Devi, Commandant 9th IRB Mahila Battalion, Om Bembam Devi, Padma Shri Awardee, former National Women Football Coach, L. Chaiba Devi, Head Coach, Senior National Women Football Team, all the invited guests, print and electronic media, and all those, the participating teams, coaches, managers, each one of you, a warm welcome on behalf of the National Sports University. It's the first time that the National Sports University is conducting an E-Zone inter-varsity competition. So it's a matter of pride for us. Manipur being the powerhouse of sports, I think we look at the guests sitting over here, most of them being women. I think women has been brought a lot of medals to Manipur. So I say it's the women is the power, who's bringing a lot of change. I'm not saying men are doing it, but I think this podium also represents. So I just say that Manipur is promoting the women. अगर हर स्टेट ऐसा बेटियों को अगर प्रमोट करे, उनको बढ़ावा दे, India can definitely come forward in sports. So Manipur stands as a model and icon. And the National Sports University is inclusive. So the first competition we thought, why don't we have it for women football? And that's how it came in here. We also have badminton too, but I extend a warm welcome to each teams. I'd like to thank the Youth Affairs for having extended all the logistics and accommodation and this wonderful stadium for this conduct. यहाँ पे कुछ भी कमी हो सकती है, लेकिन इसके साथ अगर आप अच्छा खेलेंगे, आप अपना प्रदर्शन करेंगे यहाँ पे, वो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Make this a memorable place. क्या पता इसमें से कोई ऐसा खिलाड़ी निकल जाए जो आगे जाके भारत के लिए ओलंपिक्स में अगर भविष्य में भाग लेने का मौका मिले. I'd like to also thank the entire organizing team. Day and night you had struggled untiringly to make this event happen great. And all the teams, आप लोग काफी मुश्किल से आप यहाँ पर पहुँच पाए हैं. Imphal is not that easy. I know it's been very tiring in terms of your travel, but in spite of all that, we all wish you a happy stay, a memorable one. Indulge in fair play, show the best that you can. Let Manipur also see what talents the university teams have. So with this, I wish all the teams all the very best, and we would like to see exciting matches. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a motivating speech and being an inspiration to all the aspiring athletes, especially women athletes who look up to you as their role model. Thank you so much, madam. Your presence has truly immense signification in our event. Your support and encouragement, it means a great deal to all our participants and the organizers alike. As we come to the end of this wonderful ceremony, it's time to express our heartfelt gratitude to all those who have made it possible. I would like to invite Dr. S. Premanand Singh, Joint Organizing Secretary, who has been instrumental in organizing this event, to come forward and deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, Dr. Devala. Most respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed guests, participants, respected officials, fellow sports enthusiasts, HODs, directors from different universities who are here today. It is my privilege to extend my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of the organizing committee for the grand opening ceremony of the East Zone Inter-University Football Women Tournament 2024-25. First and foremost, I would like to express our deep appreciation to our chief guest, Professor Usha S. Nair, officiating Vice Chancellor of National Sports University, for your brilliant leadership and guiding us to organize this event and making it a successful one. Your support and encouragement serve as a driving force for all the athletes gathered here today. We are honored to have you join us and share in the spirit of this competition, madam. Next, I express my sincere gratitude to today's guest of honor, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, the Registrar of National Sports University, who stand as a pillar of power and for being the catalyst that always encourage and inspire us to perform our best. Thank you so much, sir. I would also like to express my regards and gratitude to our guest of honor, respected Sri T. Fulen Maitai, Director, Youth Affairs Sports, Government of Manipur, for gracing us today by spending your valuable time, and also to stand as a pillar to provide all the necessary facilities and infrastructure to conduct this mega event a successful one. And your continued guidance and support to the university is highly valued, sir. I would also like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to all the special guests on the dais, namely Srimati and Kunjarani Devi, Padma Shri awardee and Commandant CRPF, K.I. Sharma Devi, Commandant 9 IRB Mahila Battalion, Srimati O. Bambam Devi, Padma Shri awardee, former National Women's Football Coach, Srimati L. Chauva Devi, Head Coach, Senior National Women's Football Team. Oh, sorry. L. Chauva Devi, Head Coach, Senior National Women's Football Team, for being an inspiration for all the sports lovers and motivating factors for the entire sports person in the state and beyond. Thank you so much for being with us today. Your presence is highly valued to all the special guests. And also I pay my deep sense of appreciation to Dr. Sam Sundar Rath, Dean of Student Welfare, for your valuable guidance, support and motivation in making this program a successful one. To all the athletes gathered here, thank you for your enthusiasm, spirit and commitment to the sports. Your patience and dedication to football bring this tournament to life, and we eagerly await the thrilling performance you will showcase on the field. A special thank you to all the coaches and support teams of the participating university. Your guidance and encouragement have played a crucial role in nurturing the talent that will be on display throughout this entire tournament. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to all the conveners, organizing committees, volunteers, all the supporting staff who have worked tirelessly behind the scene to ensure the smooth running of this entire tournament. Your dedications, meticulous planning and hard work are commendable and have set the stage for what we are confident will be an unforgettable event. And very special regards and thanks to those students who involved physically, all the ground staff, housekeeping, math staff, security and admin staff for their valuable efforts and hard work who made this event a grand success. I extend sincere thanks to our sponsors and collaborators, media persons, medical team, and all the technical officials who made this event possible through their generous support and partnership. With that, I wish all the team the very best of luck. May this tournament be a celebration of talent, hard work, and joy of sports. Thank you everyone for making this event truly special. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Dr. Premanand. I, on behalf of the organizers, once again extend my hearty thanks to the chief guests, guests of honor, all the esteemed guests on the dais, invited guests, dear students, and everyone who is present today. So now the moment that we all have been waiting for. It's time for the quick kickoff, ladies and gentlemen. So the kickoff will be held between Manipur University, Manipur, and the Jai Prakash University, Bihar. Please join me in welcoming the players from both the universities on the field. I beg your pardon. The kickoff will be between Manipur University and the Utkal University. Ladies and gentlemen, I beg your pardon, there has been a mix in the names. So the kickoff will begin now between the Hemchand Yadav University and the Utkal University. Please join me in welcoming the two universities on the field. Escorting the players on the field, we have young boys and girls from the Army Public School, Mantripukhi. A huge round of applause for them. A huge round of applause for our players and the young boys and the girls. The marches begin. May this tournament be filled with thrilling moments and unforgettable moments. Thank you all for being here. Let's enjoy a fantastic day of football. May I request our esteemed chief guest, guest of honor, and the special guest to kindly proceed for the introduction with the players.
Come and get what you after. Bring it on like tiki tiki taka. Give it up, give it up. Now faster, I'll give it back at ya. Come and get what you after. Bring it on like tiki tiki taka. Give it up, now faster. I'll give it back at ya. Hey, yo, say hi.
Yahweh. Ito give it. 시 팅할까 아버지 까지 되구나. 더. 보시기 마락 부월 살람다 이마다 아무 남모야. 가게. 나도 좀 나. 누가 손 없는 토커커.
Nanti tunggu si Ruin sambil dia potong nih.
실로가 싸도 봐. 아. 실로가 니 그만 잡게 돼. 니 그때 공들아. 얘도 공들아.
두 중에 해.
랩코 브레스키를 게.
아,
가리게 다와이.
뭐시기 개노든 다.
NSUV.
아.
NSUV 그런 거 웹사이트 하고.
라이브 장문에. 라이브 장문에.
Mali problemi.
Lady.
가서 전력 좀 보이면
녹달지 허락 인정을 가거든. 맞아, 좀.
इससे अच्छा था संतोष सर अपना ये पढ़ा था मणिपुर नहीं इससे नहीं तो आएगा लाइट होने वाली है आपको बच्चे को वहाँ की तरह से नहीं रो तो नहीं चलो ना जो हम चलू ने कब चलू ने देगा ओए मुझे जितना फर्क नहीं होगा जैसा भी आ Ini mula apa kita ni? Kita ni ambil teman. Ini, ini. Aduh, itu kisah lagi kan ayah. Cao kia gì? Cao! Cái gì cao cái tao này? Mà cái này cái gì nó tắc cao vậy? Hero, thagro, chilalo ho. Pagay. Ani 많이 나왔다 미시 근데 뭐나 선명한 데. 아 그쪽으로 같이 사는 거죠. No. Line. चलो तब तक खाते रहो आइए खाते रहो मोटा सा माने तालो Money. No. 아유 미가 나래 예부 잡고.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Wait, keep bol click है ना यो wait की है con là một trắng long thảo ô अभी तक ये घर है ना इसका फोटोग्राफी ना अभी तक मेरे पास बहुत आते हैं Hello. Vaya.
Ai be shi shin ge.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a treat for you for the halftime. Please join us in welcoming Jim Raikan, a student at University. It may be noted that he won gold medal in the East Zone Youth Festival in the event Mimicry. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Jim Raikan with his performance.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Jim Strikan. What I'm about to perform is beatboxing, which is the art of making music using only our human voice. Here we go.
Drop it like this, like. Drop. Drums. Faster. Thank you.
Wasn't that wonderful, ladies and gentlemen? A huge round of applause for James Raikan, the winner of the first position in the East Zone Mimicry event in Youth Festival last year.
Oh. Hey. Thank you. Yes. Gotcha. Hello. Hello. 남자. Hello.
Kali tàu lên rồi. Hai. Buổi đây sẽ vào đầu chỉ cái. Kaya ito. Kaya ito. Kaya ito.
आगे चल रहा है चलो आठ आठ मोई यार ये ऑप्शन है ताने ना सीए ओके मोई कौन ले खल रही है Oh. Oh. कोई भी तालाब
Poți la ambra. Ce avea o chiar? penalty tawni sile dum phangbre ngai ro
अब तो पांच प्लेयर के बाद भी चेंज हो सकता है ये तो नियम बन गया है पेनल्टी होने से क्या हुआ There's number ano. There's number ano po. Oh, there's number 10.
Zero 7. फेसबुक पेज और यूट्यूब तो वीडियो स्टूडियो भी वाला
Jadi